Welcome to my social class, class 8. The first session I already told you about the agriculture, and agricultures are a Latin word derived from the Latin word. It means agri and culture. Agri means soil, culture means cultivation, that I already explained here. There also we found that the type of cultivations, the type of farms like subsistence cultivations like commercial farmings are there. So that's why I already explained here. But I try to be complete today, and it will be the last topic, and it will be the agricultural development. Now, the agricultural developments are important or not? Yes, like in country like in India, where the populations are very high, where we need a more food. If the agricultures are not there, if we are only concentrated, if we are only thinking about like tertiary sector and secondary sector, if every people want to be work as like officers, if everyone to become as like the bureaucratic, technocratic, now who will be working in the field? If there is no farmer, so who will produce for us food? Without food, we will not survive. So that means the farmers are need, the lands are need. We need agriculture, and day by day our populations are rising, and how we have to maintain these populations as per their demand, how we will be supply them, how much quintal of foods are we supply them, because you may be already found here, all during those times when populations are very low, they may be covered in the acres of land this much for the cultivations and it feed. Now day by day populations are increasing and lands are become decreasing. Now how the lands are become decreasing? One side populations are increasing, they need house, and for that they constructed that land for the house. Factories are increasing there, the roads connectivities are increasing there. So all those land are used for the human utility, human purposes. That means the land are become decreasing and populations are increasing. So how people should we get more food? If the land, all the lands are used for development, road constructions, railway constructions, factory, industry, house. So where the farmers will cultivate? And if they are not cultivate, then how people should take food? Without food, people should not survive, that you know. So what we should we do? It means agricultural development. What we should we do to be maintain the rising populations with the limited amount of land? So for that, like the using of chemicals and fertilizers, like more inputs of science and technologies, like irrigation facilities should be implemented more there. So all those like fallow lands or barrier lands have to be converted them for the farming land with the help of some chemicals and fertilizers. So that we should be do, because lands are now limited, populations are rising, and that's are unable to do by the manually at the present moment. So now science and technologies are increasing, advanced day by day, and now we have to be think how we have to be make this available land for fulfill for the rising populations. As I always say, like thresher machines, tractors, more scientific methods should be used, chemical fertilizers should be used, like artificial water supply should be used, where it can be feed up more for the rising populations. So that's the agricultural development, and like I gave the 2 points, that is the farm in USA and farm in India. So that refers to the developed country and the underdeveloped country. So like USA is already developed country, India is a developing country till now. So whatever the required instrument and machineries are required, the things that we can take help from, like the USA, the like developed country, like Germany, from China, we can be take help here. And that method we can be maintain our populations for the feed up. Because as I already said that the resources are now become a limited, but populations are rising. To maintain all those in system, so we need to be rise up, we need to cultivate more there, and without the help of science and technology, we are unable to be produce more and more there. So this refers that, and that is the end of this chapter 4. And as I say already, if you have any doubt, any problem, just you can be ask me, or you have a WhatsApp number of mine, and you can call me or you can text me. So I try to make it more easy for you for the next time. Thank you.